So here we have the new Testex tape kit. So this is the new micrometer that's been released from DeFelsko. This micrometer is got all the same features as our other positector gauges. Got a couple of new features. It automatically deducts the 2 mils or 50 microns that you have to take out for that uncompressible layer of the Testex tape, and you slip your Testex tape inside the gauge and it will measure your profile for you. It's obviously got all the readings, able to do batch readings. You can upload to the cloud via your Wi-Fi login. You can take all your averages. You can do averages over several readings, which is very, very handy. So this kit comes with everything you need, from the digital micrometer to 3 batches of Testex tape from the coarse, extra coarse and extra coarse plus. With the release of the tape and the Testex gauge, DeFelsko are now increasing their level of accuracy that they can guarantee when you use their new burnishing tool. This burnishing tool allows you to put the exact pressure you need on the surface when doing a Testex reading. So we'll give that an example. This Testex tape, the actual main way it's used is exactly the same it's always been, but comes with an easy peel sticker, which you can then put on the surface and use this burnishing tool to get the exact reading. So let's go ahead and get one. Let's take a reading here. So we'll get our coarse replica tape here. Oh, nice and crispy. Open our box, you can see our Testex tape. This is for between 0.8 to 2 mils or 20 to 50 microns. We're going to peel it off and we're going to put it up here on this surface, and we're going to use our burnishing tool to apply the exact pressure required so we can guarantee that accuracy. Of course, you can burnish any way you like, but using the new burnishing tool will guarantee that you meet the accuracy standards set out for the gauge. The good thing about this is every single one of you guys can get the exact same reading because of applying the same amount of pressure. What used to happen is, of course, you use the corner of the gauge or the corner of the old box and the readings could be everywhere. So now with the new tool, the other cool feature is it comes with it's got another part of the corner which makes it easy to peel off. So I have my surface. Quickly zero my gauge. Put my reading in here. And it's 2.5 mil profile. So it's very simple and easy to use. I can say, okay, clear back. Let's just zero that gauge again. Slip my reading in, and I can get an average of those 2 readings. Very, very simple and easy to use. Thank you for watching. Go to blastone.com to make your purchase today.